Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create 3D mockup in Photoshop. Let's create bottle label mockup. Resize your image as per your requirements. Change bottle cap color to label color. Change gummy color to same as bottle color. Now we create box top side. Create box front side. Now we create left side of the box. Click on these icons to center the image. Change box background white fill color to artwork color. This is the final result, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn more.